Hello, this is Angrawaki based in California. Thank you for watching my video and supporting my channel. I'll introduce how to fish in the Japanese way using popular techniques in Japan and Japanese fishing gear. In this video, I'll tell you how to cast a spinning reel. Overhead casting. Overhead casting is a basic technique everyone should master first. I know, you may say, come on, everybody knows how to cast it. It's not that difficult. Yeah, just cast it front. Everybody can easily make it. But how cool and effective make it? You may be interested in what I show you in this video. As always, everything is based on the popular Japanese practice. And specifically for casting technique, I am a huge follower of the casting master, great sensei, Jim Murata Hajime-san. I make this video tutorial for fishing beginners to intermediate level anglers. If you're a masterclass angler, this video could be boring. Just an excuse in advance. The cast for bass fishing and right shore fishing is the same, but the cast for surf casting is different from them. In this video, I'll show you the one for bass and right shore fishing using a less than 8 feet long fishing rod. The tackle I use in this video is 7 feet long bass rod. Oh wait, this is not a bass rod. This is actually a walleye rod. Anyway, 7 feet long rod. Fast action. The lure weight is 1/8 ounce to 3/8 ounce, 3.5 grams to 10.5 grams, and number 2000 reel. A practice sinker is 1/4 ounce, 7 grams. Okay, how to cast. First, how to hold a rod and reel. Hold the rod in the dominant hand. I'm right-handed. I hold the rod in my right hand. Wrap fingers like this. Index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and pinky. Put the thumb on the foregrip. 2-finger grip. When we cast, I strongly recommend this grip. 2-finger grip. No single finger grip. No triple finger grip. 2-finger grip. This is my recommendation. Okay, let me show you the casting for beginners. For beginners, let's do a double hand cast. Reel in the line. It's up to how heavy lure weight you would throw, but generally to set 4 inches to 12 inches of line hanging off from the rod tip. Hold your line using an index finger like this. Flip the bail on the spool. unlock the line. Swing up and stop. Look back, make sure nobody is behind. Okay, you all set. Let's cast it. Cast it straight forward. When the rod tip comes around 11 o'clock, release the line. If you release the line too fast, the lure would pop up to the sky. If you release the line too late, you'd slam the lure down on the water surface. For intermediate level anglers, I'd recommend mastering a single hand cast. Reel in the line. Hold the line using an index finger. Flip the bail. Swing up and swing down using your wrist. Swing up straight and swing down. Make sure you utilize rod power by swinging up and down motions. The very important tips here are: first, use your wrist, no elbow, no shoulder. Second, swing up straight and swing down straight. Third, no need to swing down strongly. Swing up straight and swing down straight. When we use a heavier weight and a stiff rod, it could be a time for a double hand casting. Grab a grip end with your non-dominant hand and swing up and swing down. When you swing down the rod, pull in the grip end. Synchronizing both hands well will be the key. Make sure the responsibility of the non-dominant hand is just to support. Let me show you one important technique: feathering. When the line leaves out from the spool, use an index finger like a manual brake to control line slack. This is a useful technique to prevent a line get tangled. Feathering. Okay, this is a popular Japanese style based on what casting master Jim Murata Hajime-san says. There are many styles of castings, but first, I'd recommend you to master this basic overhead cast. That's it for today. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye bye.